Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today, we'll draw another paper cut illustration. Let's draw this cute island. First we'll draw the plants on this island. First draw one of the leaf. Then fill the color on it using the paint bucket tool. After that duplicate this leaf layer, and enable the alpha lock, then fill this color or just paint on it. Use the selection tool, and then tap on the transform option, to select and modify the leaf layer. Tap on this stamp option to create more duplicates. After you're done, enable the alpha lock of all the layers, and add some shades on them. Now, merge all the layers. Use the selection tool again to transform, create a duplicate. Then add shades to them as well. Now, merge all the layers again. Create one more time and duplicate to fill the gap. Then add shade to it also, then merge this too. To draw the umbrella, use the radial tool. Tap on the setting and increase this bar to 10. Tap on this lock to remove the icons. Fill the colors, then create a duplicate and fill color on it also. Create duplicate of each umbrella layers, reposition them and fill color on them also. Create one more umbrella using the same steps. After that, hide all the layers for now. Create a layer on the top. Use the rectangle tool to draw the mat. Duplicate this layer, and fill a different color. Enable the alpha lock on both layers and draw some lines on them. Hide this layer for now. Create a layer in the bottom, and draw the island on it. Now, unhide the plant and reposition it using the selection tool. Tap here to create more duplicates. after that merge both layers. Unhide the umbrella and matte layers and reposition them too. Merge all the umbrella and matte layers together. Now, create multiple island layers below, using different colors. Now, to create shadows, duplicate the layer, enable the alpha lock and paint it black. Repeat this process for all the layers. Add the blur filter on all the shadow layers. At the end, lower the opacity of all the shadow layers and merge them with its original layer. Create a layer on top of the island layer, and add some particles around the island. Add shadow on it using the same method. Use the selection tool to transform it. Drag this layer below the first island layer. Create a layer on the top and draw some extra details. Duplicate them, and merge them back to original layer. At the end, just add shadow on this layer as well. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.